Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Yashica 135mm 2.8 ml. Last winter I bought 3 Yashica lenses and a camera body for quite cheap because they were not in the best conditions, especially the 135. The optical elements were dirty, the aperture had been poorly declicked, and worst of all, the focusing helicoid was completely off and needed to be re-lubricated. So I gave it to a lab to be fixed and clean, and now it works perfectly. Yashica is one of those well-known names in the industry with a history dating back to the late 40s, and in 1975 they introduced the Contax Yashica bayonet mount in collaboration with Carl Zeiss. They had 3 ranges of lenses. The basic one was the DSB with single coatings. Above that was the ML with multi-coating, and the top of the line was the Zeiss AE range. Now, let's take a closer look. The body is made of metal and weighs 410 grams. It is 76mm long when focused to infinity and 90mm when fully extended, with a 52mm front thread. And my favorite feature, a built-in sun hood. The focusing ring is textured and it turns 180 degrees. Minimum focusing distance is, average, around 1.5 meters. The Aries has 6 blades, the aperture is clicked and it goes from f2.8 to f22. The Contax Yashica mount flange distance is 45.5 millimeters. Sharpness is what you would expect from a vintage lens. Not the best wide open, but it gets better as you stop down. Same can be said for halation and blooming, which are present at f2.8 but mostly disappear by f4. Background blur is soft and pleasant, and bokeh balls are clean but might have some hard edges and turn into soft hexagons when closing the iris. Chromatic aberration is present and can be distracting at times, especially longitudinal chromatic aberration, with a strong shift from magenta to green. Flaring on the other side is very well controlled, and you really have to shine a line directly into the lens to get some. And now, let me show you some samples. Before going on with the review, I would like to let you know that 96% of the people watching are not subscribed. So if you're enjoying the content and would like to support me, consider subscribing, because it's free. But if you have €1 to spare, consider becoming a member of the channel and help me pay my bills. I also did a quick test comparing the Yashica 135mm 2.8 to the Tokina 2.8 and the Konica Xenon 2.5. The Yashica and the Tokina are very similar, both in size and image quality, with the Tokina having stronger, greener tints. The Konica is the biggest and heaviest of the bunch, but also the brightest and sharpest. Compared to the Yashica, colors verge towards yellows and greens. Truth be told, I don't have a strong opinion about this lens. It is not bad by any means, and it checks all the boxes for what people like in vintage lenses. But at the same time, it has nothing special. So I think I will postpone my final judgment until I had the chance to shoot film with this lens. Meanwhile, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and all the usual stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!